Alright, so it's the fun of fitting the patch. Okay, this is how it's inside. I still have some gap here I need to fix. It's not fixing, it's just hammering down and keep doing the fitting. Like that. So it's the radius here, the contour here, over there. Now to go down underneath the curve. See how it fits from underneath the car. Okay, it's really not bad here. Still some gaps here. So what I'm gonna do a good marking. Then I start to know which area I need to hammer down. Follow. Cleaning and forming the patch is really important. So I'm gonna still do some cleaning here before I'm gonna use a GB weld. Here doesn't matter. This is where the foot rests, like feet. This is the back where I'm gonna apply the GB weld. I have used the wire brush, and also I used my grinder, angle grinder. Right, let's go take a look inside. Here is my patched area. I'm gonna use also the wire brush to clean it. I got the big GB weld. This is the 10 ounce. I'm gonna mix it here, mix it all here. Then I will do the double buttering. I'll put here and some in the floor. So I applied the GB weld. Now I'm gonna put the patch. Hold this please. Keep this fixed. Just gonna press like this, make this wiggly. Press, 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 press. I'm gonna put some weight on it, and this is be it for the video. Thank you guys.